Hello Android users, so there's one more feature for your eyes to read your text better. So firstly, go to this WhatsApp area of an Android phone, tap on settings by tapping on three dots on top right corner. You will get the option. Once you reach there, scroll it down and you will see option of accessibility, right? You tap on that and you will see two options. The first option, you have to make sure that it is on. Why? Because it darken the key colors to make things easier to see in white mode. So if your white mode is on and you still want to easily read or see your screen, then just tap on it to switch it on, right? I'm just turning it on and off one by one, so you know from where you have to turn it on, right? And the benefits, as I told you, are these. Also, this is the basic difference of your screen. You can check when you turn it off and when you turn it on. This is quite not too much difference, but it is going to create impact on your eyes definitely. See you in the next video. Ta-da!